Hey there guys, how's it going? And what we've got today is we're going to be talking about the Hefty Slider Bags. These are storage bags for, usually people use these, or me, I use them for storing food, sandwiches, fruit, nuts, chicken, pizza, just about anything that's gonna go inside my lunch, okay? But they also could be used to keep just about anything sanitary fresh, like you could keep any kind of material that you don't want to get contaminated inside these plastic bags. Anything at all, just that you want to keep away from any kind of bacteria or contamination, of any kind really. But mainly it's used for food. Yeah. Now in this pack, it comes, these are very large. This is the gallon bag. You get 6 inside there. Okay, now they're very economical. Hefty is a pretty well-known brand, and the material, because it's Hefty, is pretty thick. So you're not going to have instances where it's gonna be tearing or you're gonna get holes in them or anything like that, because they always make their stuff very thick, so you don't have to worry about punctures and things like that. What I like best about these kind of bags is I am preference to the slider mechanism that is on the side here. This slider that opens like this and closes like that and seals the bag, versus the other kind that doesn't have the slider and you have to kind of press it closed like that, press it. Even the ones that have it's even worse. The ones that have the double seal, but you have to press it, it's a headache. For me anyway, it bothers me. I like to just zip it and be gone. That's what I like. And that's why I get this kind. It's really good. It's very economical, but I mean, and you kind of get what you pay for, I guess. But I guess the downside to this is I have to buy several of these boxes because I go through them pretty quick, and in a pack there's only 6. That won't last me very long, so I would have to buy a lot of these boxes to suffice me. And that bothers me. I would like to be able to get, they probably have it, but a big, thing of maybe 20 or something or so inside. So yeah, these work very well with food that you want to put in. All kind of good things with it. I mean, as far as keeping things fresh. And also, okay, I like the fact that it has this area here, which a lot of bags don't have. This area here where you can write things. Like if you want to do a kind of storage thing, like you want to put, like, say, nails or tacks or even buttons or whatever like that in these or something, or even your sandwich or whatever, but you want to write either your name or something on there, there's a space to do that, and that's a nice thing that they added here for the consumer. I think that's very good. I mean, I hardly ever use that, but it's nice to know that it's there if I ever need to, because you never know when you want to organize, keep things, nice and, where you can find it and how you can find it. Yeah, it's a good little additive to the little bag. Yeah, and like I said, there's 6 of these in there. They work very well for me. I've used these for a very long time. I usually buy about 3 of these because, like I said, there's only 6 in there and I go through them really quick. Yeah, they're great for food. They're really great for fruit. If you want to put like sliced oranges or apples or something in there, they're really good for that. All right, well, that is the Hefty Storage Slider Bags. Yes, 6 in a pack. I hope you guys use this information, and I will see you next time. Okay, bye-bye.